In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to uninstall VLC Media Player in Windows 11 step by step. Whether VLC is no longer needed, not working properly, or you're just cleaning up unused apps on your PC, this method is simple, safe, and works for all standard Windows 11 installations. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect during the uninstall process, so you don't accidentally remove anything important. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open the control panel. To do this, go down to your taskbar and click on the search icon or search box. Type Control Panel, and when you see it appear in the results, click to open it. Even though Windows 11 has a modern settings app, Control Panel is still the most reliable way to uninstall many desktop programs, including VLC Media Player. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the Programs option. Click on Programs, and then click on Programs and Features. Depending on your view settings, you might also see an option called Uninstall a Program. Both take you to the same place. This section shows a list of all the desktop applications currently installed on your computer. Now, scroll through the list of installed programs until you find VLC Media Player. You can also click on the Name column to sort the list alphabetically, which makes VLC easier to find. When you see VLC Media Player, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Uninstall or Uninstall/Change. At this point, Windows may ask for confirmation. Click Yes to allow the uninstaller to make changes to your device. The VLC Uninstall Wizard will now open. This is the official uninstaller that removes the program safely from your system. In the Uninstall window, click Next to proceed. You'll then see the option to uninstall VLC Media Player. Click the Uninstall button to begin the removal process. Windows will now remove the VLC application files from your computer. This usually only takes a few seconds. Next, you'll see an option asking whether you want to delete preferences and cache. If you plan to reinstall VLC later and want to keep your settings, you can leave this unchecked. However, if you want a complete clean uninstall, check the box to delete preferences and cache. This removes leftover settings and temporary files that VLC created. Once you've made your choice, click Finish. VLC Media Player is now fully uninstalled from your Windows 11 system. You can confirm this by checking the Programs and Features list again and making sure VLC no longer appears. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled VLC Media Player in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Windows guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.